If you want to be a siding contractor and actually get stuff done right, you gotta know the essential tools that make your life way easier. Alright, so first up, a nail gun is like your best buddy. It saves you tons of time compared to hammering nails one by one. Then, a circular saw is clutch for cutting boards clean and quick, especially when you need precise angles. Don't sleep on the hammer tacker either. It's perfect for fastening house wrap or insulation fast without the hassle. Always keep a level handy because nothing looks worse than crooked siding. Seriously, it messes with the whole vibe. Measuring tape is a no-brainer, but trust me, double check your measurements so you don't waste materials or time. Also, safety goggles and gloves are a must, because those splinters and flying debris are no joke. Having a sturdy ladder or scaffolding can be a game changer for reaching high spots safely. Lastly, keep a chalk line tool nearby to mark straight lines before you cut or install anything. Makes the whole process way smoother. One of the biggest screw-ups siding contractors make is skipping the level check, which leads to uneven siding that looks super sloppy and can cause water damage later on. Fix this by always using your level on each board as you go. Another common issue is not measuring twice before cutting, which ends up wasting materials and money. So take your time with that measuring tape and be precise. A third problem is neglecting safety gear. It's tempting to skip gloves or goggles to move faster, but that's a shortcut to injury. Always gear up properly before starting any job. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors without all the guesswork. It also helps contractors get legit work by connecting them with people who really need their skills.